Hey guys, this is your squat instructional video. So we're gonna start off with your basic bodyweight squat. Things you wanna think about on a squat in your setup. Feet should be just shoulder width or just outside the shoulders, and your toes are gonna be angled out just a little bit. Not way out, okay, but just a little bit. Then when we initiate the squat, we wanna push our hips backwards. The weight is going to be on our heels. We're gonna keep the shoulders up. We're gonna keep a nice straight back, and we're gonna sit down, and then we're gonna stand up. As you squat, your knees should track your toes, so you're kind of actively pushing your knees out, opening up the hips, sitting down, and then standing up. The ideal squat, we take our hips and we go below the knees, and then we stand up nice and tall. But the most important thing is to keep the weight on the heels, push your hips back, and then get as low as you're comfortable with. All right, a modification for that is to take a box or a chair or a ball or something that's set up, and then you can stand and you can just squat and to that, and that will kind of give you a target or help your range of motion to sit and then stand. Sometimes it'll help with your balance to make sure the weight's on the heels. And then as you come up, stand nice and tall. So that's your basic squat. You could also throw some weights onto that, whether it be holding a dumbbell or a barbell or something like that, but the squat motion doesn't change. Now for a split squat, little different variation, we're gonna be in a lunging position. Shoulders are gonna be up. Feet are gonna be comfortable width apart, and then you're just gonna take the back knee, drop it to the ground, and then stand up. All right, you would do your reps, however many reps you're recommended to do on one side, then you would switch, and then you would repeat the same thing on the other side for the split squat. So there is a more advanced version of that. We're gonna bring in Jessie here, and she's gonna go over the advanced version of the split squat. So for this, she's gonna take her back foot, put it up on a bench, or a stair, or a chair, and then everything is the same. She drops her back knee down, her shoulders stay nice and tight, nice and tall, and then she stands up tall at the top. Good job, Jessie.